Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making brandied cherries. I want to preface this video by saying that the video was shot in early July, which is when tart cherries are available at the farmer's market in New York City. These beauties are only available for a short period of time, so I always like to buy a bunch of these and make brandied cherries while they're fresh and then freeze the rest to make a pie for Thanksgiving or Christmas. While it's possible to make this with your standard sweet cherries, I think the tart cherries work the best. For this recipe, you will need tweezers or a chopstick to remove the pit of the cherry, 50 grams of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 125 grams of brandy, 150 grams of tart cherries, a sterilized jar or a swing top container with an airtight lid, and a small saucepan. First, I wash the cherries, then remove the stems and the pits. I pour the cherries into the jar that I'm going to store them in. Next, to my saucepan, I'll add all the sugar, the cinnamon stick, all the water, and 3/4 of the brandy. I'm going to bring it all to a simmer and remove from the heat. Discard the cinnamon stick and let cool until room temp. After the brandy syrup is cooled, I pour it over the cherries in the jar and top it off with the rest of the brandy. These cherries need to sit in the fridge and marinate for at least 4 months before using, but they're definitely worth the wait and will be ready just in time for the holidays. They make fantastic holiday gifts.